The Meadows initiative at Princeton University showcases the installation of a massive geo-exchange system and thermal energy facility. This system delivers heating, cooling, and hot water to the entire new campus community, utilizing hundreds of geo-exchange boreholes connected through a network of underground heat exchange loops and distribution pipes. A critical factor in the project's success was the precise BIM/VDC coordination between design engineers, subcontractors, and installers. This collaboration ensured that all storm and sanitary utilities were properly cleared and installed without clashes or conflicts. The 3D BIM model became a vital tool, continuously used as the venture approached completion. Sam's extensive experience in virtual construction on both large and small assignments made a significant impact. Our state-of-the-art approaches to BIM coordination allowed the team to balance complex design demands, with the learning curve of each subcontractor offering support where needed. On the Meadows initiative, Sam's innovative BIM and VDC implementation played a crucial role in ensuring successful multidisciplinary development. Our team developed the final federated as-built model, capturing essential data for future design, building, and facility management tasks. Sam's involvement in the Meadows neighborhood highlights our commitment to geospatial precision and collaborative excellence, laying a strong foundation for Princeton University's future expansion. Discover how Sam's Managed Geospatial Services can transform your next venture. Visit sam.biz.